Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix if something went wrong. Tap to retry a YouTube on your iPhone. Might be happening whenever you are trying to open a YouTube, and if that is the case, how you can fix it. So the first and famous step is all about what you need to do is you have to go over here at the top and you have to turn on or toggle on the airplane mode and just wait for a couple of seconds. Then you just need to turn it off and you have to check that might connect back and you have to check with it if that is not working. Next one is all about you just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general, and from here what you need to do is you have to tap on iPhone storage over here. Now from here what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to the YouTube, and from here there is an option called Offload app. You have to go for offload your YouTube app, then you have to reinstall it back. Afterwards you have to check whether the issue is solved or not, but still if it's not working, it might be an issue with the regions. For that reason you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general, and from here you have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the date and time. Make sure time automatically is turned on. This is very important. After trying this, still if the issue is still not working, then you just need to reinstall the YouTube. So you can just go over here on the App Store, you can just go over here, search for the YouTube, and make sure that you connect to the internet as well. You have to just go over here. Now from here what you need to do is you have to go over here, open your App Store over here, then try searching for the YouTube once again. After uninstalling, you can try installing it back and you have to check, and this time most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And this is how we can fix it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it, bye.